Hi everyone, I am R. Kirtika from second year Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering Additive Manufacturing. Today I am going to talk about Sunlight API Business Model Canvas, a comprehensive analysis of a Sunlight API business model for entrepreneurship and management education. This canvas breaks down how the modern Fed platform creates and delivers and captures value of a digital payment and automation spaces. Customer segments. Find customers. Technology first aims to the financial services and it provides seeking to the enhance payment, reliability and reduce the transaction failures through rough coil updates. Bank and card issues. Traditional financial institution looking to modernize their payment infrastructure and improve customer experience through AI-driven automation. E-commerce platform. Relatives managing subscription models and recurring revenue streams who need the seamless payment processing without a manual interaction. Thank you.
I myself Ashok from second year Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering. Let's see about channel and customer relationship. Channel. Sunlight API reaches its B2B customer through multiple technical and direct channel. API integration. RESTful API endpoint that integrate directly into existing payment system and platform. Developer platform. Self-service portal where technical team can access documentation and implementation resources. Partner integration. Pre-built connection with popular payment processor and platform. Direct enterprise sales. Dedicated account management for large enterprise called complex requirement. Online presence. Website and documentation hub for self-service onboarding. Customer relationship. Long-term B2B relationship characterized by continuous service delivery and ongoing support. Technical support. Dedicated support term available to resolve integration and operational issue. Developer documentation. Extensive guide, code sampler and API reference for self-service implementation. API onboarding. Personalized assistance during installation to ensure successful deployment. Account management. Proactive relationship management for enterprise customers with strategic importance. Automated service. Self-service platform for monitoring, reporting and managing API usage. Next, revenue streams. A software as a service platform, Sunlight API, generate recurring revenue that flexible pricing for customer growth and user pattern. First, subscription fees, monthly or annual requirement changes for the API platform. Core payment, automation features. Second one, usage-based pricing, pay per use model while customer are changed based on the number of payment update processed. Enterprise licensing. Customer pricing are large organization with high volume requesting and dedicated infrastructure. Fourth one, API service charge. Additional fees for features such as advanced analytics, custom.
Hi everyone, myself Karthikeyan from second year Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering from SNS College of Engineering. Today going to see about revenue streams as a software as a service platforms. Sunlight API generate recurring revenue through flexible principal models designed to a scale with the customer growth and usage partners. Subscription fees, usage based pricing, enterprise license, API service charges are the four types. Monthly subscription fees, monthly or annual recurring charges for access to the API platform and core payment automation features. This provides predictable baseline revenue and customer commitment. Second one, usage based pricing, pay per use model where customers are changed based on the number of payments processed or API call made. This aligns cost directly with value delivered and scales with customers' growth. Enterprising license, custom pricing for large organizations with high volume requirements, including dedicated infrastructure, enhancements, security feature, and priority support. These contracts typically include minimum commitments. API service charges. Additional fees for premium features such as advanced analytic customer integration or specialization support service. These provide upsells opportunity beyond core platform functionality. This multi-tiered revenue approach allows Sunlight API to serve customers from startup to enterprises while maintaining strong unit economics. This combination of subscription and usage-based pricing ensures recurring revenue with upside potential as a customer grows their payment volumes. Key resources: Sunlight API competitive advantage system from its sophisticated technology infrastructure and humanized human capital. These resources enable the platform to deliver reliable, secure, and scalable payment automation service. API platform and software infrastructure. The core RESTful API that process payment updates and integrated with existing payment system. This platform handles millions of transactions with high availability and low latency. Artificial intelligence technology, machine learning algorithm that analyze payment pattern, predict card changes, and optimize update strategies. The AI continuously improve through machine learning and transaction data. Developer tools and cloud system. Comprehensive development environment including SDKs, testing tools, and cloud infrastructure for scalable, reliable service delivery. Skilled software engineer, technical talent specialized in payment systems, API development, security protocols, and AI machines learning. This expertise drives continuous platform innovation. Financial technology expertise, deep knowledge of payment processing, compliance requirement, security standard, and fintech regulation. This domain expertise ensures regulatory compliance and payment reliability. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jitesaran from second year Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering. Today I am going to be speaking about key activities. Sunlight API's operations center on developing and maintaining its payment automation platform while ensuring security, reliability, and continuous improvement based on customer needs. API development, continuous enhancement of API endpoints, features integration to meet evolving customers' requirements, payment industry standards. Payment automation, operating the automated payment update system that monitors card status, process updates, and optimizes transaction successes. Data processing security, handling sensitive payment information with encryptions. System maintenance, ensuring platform uptime, performance optimization, and infrastructure scaling. Customer service, providing technical assistance, troubleshooting, and onboarding support to ensure successful customer implementation. Partners, Sunlight API leverages strategic partnerships to enhance its platform capabilities, expand market reach, and validate its technology credibility in the competitive fintech landscape. Payment networks, partnerships with card networks like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express to access card update services and ensure compatibility. Bank and finance institutions, fintech companies, cloud service producers, and technology partners. Collaboration with banks to facilitate direct account updates, access to payment data, improving success rate for card on file transaction. Integration partnership with other fintech platforms to create seamless payment and ecosystems. Infrastructure partnerships with Amazon, Azure, or Google Cloud for scalable computing resources. Collaboration with payment processors like Strip, Braintree, and Adyen and platforms to offer pre-built integration and reduce friction. Thank you.
About a cost structure. As a technology platform, Sunlight API's cost structure is reflected as a SaaS business model with significant upfront investment to develop the infrastructure to scale the efficiency, revenue grows. Software development cost. It's a product API development future implementation continues the improvement of the representation and the significance operation experts. Could infrastructure expenses, computing the extra storage, data management and network downtown platform service and cloud providers cost is transaction volume and the platform usage. Employee salaries, compensation of the software engineers, product managers, customer success teams, and sales executives, leaderships, and take the cost subsidies in the competitive fintech sector, security compliance cost, PAS DSS certification, security audits, and penetrating test data protection measure the and compliance with financial regulations or non-jetable requirements, payment processing, marketing, sale, and cost, customer acquisition through the digital marketing sales and the sales with expense partnership development and the brand of in the compensation fintech mechanism. Executive summary: Sunlight Fintech SaaS platform automate payment management and can update the business API, AI driven API to improve the transaction success revenue. Customer segment is 5 B2B market fintech enhancement and revenue stream is subscription use based on the entrepreneurs. Key activities API development and the customer support. The platform strategic position to the combining of white combinator validation, RESTful API integration, AI powered platform to using a value proposition for the business, managing the regulating payment with the multiple revenue stream to strategic partnership with the scalable infinity sunlight API demonstrate strong fundamentals of a sustainable growth in the expanding fintech market. Thank